Up until this point, our tables that we've worked with have had a single field as the primary key. In reality, you will have tables that, in order to make the key unique, require more than one field. Because ideally, when you're trying to determine what the primary key should be, you use existing data in the table. Using the auto number feature with the generic ID is actually not ideal, and that would be a last resort. So what we're going to do is create a new table, and we will be using more than one field in that table as the primary key. So we're going to go to Create and Table Design. And I'm going to just quick key in the fields. And let's see. This one should have a field size of 4. Come down here. And you may notice by looking at the notation that 3 of these fields are actually going to be used to form the key, because that is what it takes to get a unique key. Go back here. I'm adjusting the kind of the widths as we go. Pretty short little table here. And then we've got one more. Okay, I'm just going to double check my sizes. Yep, those look fine. So at this point, I've got all my fields. And I'm going to define the key. And for the key, we want the first 3 fields. That is how we are going to come up with a unique key. Okay, and what that tells me about this table is customer ID by itself would not be unique. Comp ID by itself would not be unique. Okay. Username by itself may not be unique, but the 3 together are unique. So I'm going to start with my selector arrow next to customer ID. I'm going to left drag down in these selector boxes to select those 3. And then I'm going to turn on the primary key, and you'll notice little keys next to each one. And once I've defined these primary keys, you just kind of click to deselect, and now I'm going to save this table and call it Profiles. Okay, and once you've got that saved, you can go ahead and close the table.